Guys, the pancake is ready. Been dressed with fresh strawberry and blueberry. We got our yogurt in there. You can use your yogurt. Okay, there's the yogurt in there. Because I didn't put sugar when I was frying it, so now I'm gonna be tipping in my maple syrup. Okay, that is the maple syrup going into the pancake. Can you see the maple syrup? Drizzling down, drizzling down. So guys, that is the pancake. Enjoy. Hello everybody, today I'm making pancake. This is my egg. That is my melted butter. It's optional. If you don't want to put butter, you just leave it. That is my lemon. I'm gonna be using to, to put in the lemon juice in on top. That is my milk, my fresh milk in there. That is my nutmeg powder. That is my maple syrup. Because I'm not putting in sugar, so I'm gonna use maple syrup to garnish it or to spray on top after making the pancake. So it's optional. You can put sugar in there, or you leave it after frying your pancake. Then you can sprinkle sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, whatever sweetener you want to. That is my baking powder. That is my salt. That is my vanilla essence. It's optional. You can put, you can skip it. That is my fruits. I'm going to be decorating it with strawberry and blueberry. You can use any fruit, banana. I'm gonna be putting banana there anyway. So what I'm gonna do, this is, you have to sieve your flour. So right now there's nutmeg powder is in there and salt. So I'm gonna sieve it in a minute. Okay guys, I've mixed the dry ingredients all here. Baking powder, nutmeg, whatever spices you want, then salt. You can put your sugar if you want, but I'm not putting sugar. So I'm gonna put in the wet stuff in this cup here. So here goes my milk in there. Here goes my egg in there. Okay, you can put any amount of egg. We determine the quantity of flour you got and the amount you want to produce for the whole family. Okay guys, so my butter, melted butter, will go in there. Okay guys, my vanilla essence is optional. You can skip it, you can put it, it's up to you. Just a little quantity. Okay, so after that you just mix. Okay guys, you mix. You can mix with your spoon. You don't have to follow my own method. Okay, what matters is you are able to mix up your pancake. That is the basic thing. So we go like this, we mix. Okay, if you don't have the machine, you can use this one to whisk. If you don't have machine, you can whisk with this. Okay, don't panic. Okay, you can even use your spoon to whisk. You don't have to follow my method. Do not panic. Okay guys, so that is it. Now everything done here. Now I'm gonna be tipping in the wet stuff inside the dry stuff now. Okay guys, make a hole in there and start tipping it in. You just mix. Make sure there's no lump when you mix. Okay, okay. It's time to, that is my wok. I'm using wok. You can use any frying pan of your choice, but I'm using wok because it just make the whole thing like, easy. So I'm gonna tip in the You see, it's coming out. Just give it time to cook. The work is like just make it easy. You see, so you just flip the other side over, and you see my pancake. Look at the pancake. Look, can you see it now? So now I'm gonna tip it in here like that, in the bowl on top of this kitchen paper. You see it? So I'm going to do more. This is ready. It's going in here just like that. Guys, the pancake is ready. Being dressed with fresh strawberry and blueberry. We got our yogurt in there. You can use your yogurt. Okay, that's the yogurt in there. Because I didn't put sugar when I was frying it, so now I'm gonna be tipping in my maple syrup. Okay, that is the maple syrup going into the pancake. Can you see the maple syrup drizzling down? Drizzling down. So guys, that is the pancake. Enjoy. Guys, that is my pancake. You can serve it with banana, you know, blueberry and raspberry. You can serve it with any fruit.